Happy birthday to me, the big 2-4, another year in the books. Wait, 24? That's like almost 25. And when you round up 25, that's like 30, and 30 rounded up is like 50, which means I'm old. On February 10th, I'll be turning 24. This is a video about my birthday, sponsored by TheRealReal. Okay, I know I'm not actually old, but honestly, 24, this is the first time that I am sort of freaking out about my age. 24 just sounds so solidly adult to me. So as you can see by the title, this video is about what I got for my birthday. But this isn't your traditional, what I got from my friends and family. This is a haul of stuff that I've gotten for my birthday. Because honestly, look, I'm 24, I don't really get gifts anymore. This is about what I got myself for my birthday. Every year, I do like to do something special for myself, and I don't know, I just think everyone deserves to do that if they want. Okay, so for my 20th birthday, I bought myself my first luxury designer bag. It was a Givenchy Antigona. I carry it with me every day, and I've loved it ever since. So now 4 years later, I've decided that I want something new. One of the things that I've learned in this time though is how important sustainability is. Fashion is a huge contributor to waste, so rehoming a product rather than buying it brand new is a good way to counteract this, and that's why I decided with the new bag that I purchased, I would get it on TheRealReal. TheRealReal is a luxury consignment website and app. They sell brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, up to 90% off retail price. So I hopped on their website and started browsing, thinking about what I wanted. I was also recently in New York and decided to stop by their store so I could learn a little bit more about the brand, show you guys what the products are like, and just kind of check it out for myself before I ordered online. TheRealReal shipped its first few orders in June of 2011. Now, 8 years later, they are reselling hundreds of thousands of luxury goods and changing the perception of what it means to consign. So they have a large selection of clothes, shoes, accessories, home stuff, but what I'm in the market, what I'm looking for is a bag. So we're gonna check out the bag section. I actually came in the store the other day, and what's cool is 2 days later, there's already different things in here. Things come and go super quick, so if you see something you want, you really gotta jump on it. Something that I think is really cool that I didn't see, this is new, is this Louis Vuitton. I love this, honestly, I really want it. It's very cool. We could open it up, see what it's like inside, because things are gently used, so I know you guys are probably wondering what it's like. Inside the bags, there are just kind of RealReal dust bag for your bag. I really would not even know that this had a previous owner. I had a great time in their store and found some really cool pieces, like this Vika Gazanskaya jacket, originally over $1,000 at TheRealReal for $175. And these Tom Ford booties also retailed for over $1,000 and sold for $260. Guys, this necklace, $350,000. So after visiting the store, I went back on the website, knew exactly what I wanted, they had it, and I quickly got it because they only have one of everything, so I mean, you gotta get it while you can. So I ended up getting it, and 2 days later, it was at my doorstep. My package from TheRealReal is here. I'm so excited. When you're at checkout, you can add for $5 for them to gift wrap it. And so that's what I did. So it comes in this nice black box with a bow. How cute. TheRealReal's team of experts authenticate every item sold, so you know everything on the site is real. Use the link in my description to shop and get $25 off your first order. And at last, here's what I picked out. A Gucci Marmont 2017 backpack. And here it is. It's so cute! Oh my gosh, I love this. Here's the inside. It's got some of these bubbles to keep the structure of it. And if you see inside here, there's literally no residue. This thing is practically new. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. So here it is. This is the Gucci Marmont. This is just the cutest bag. It's so me. I just like having a backpack. It's great. This is what it comes with out of the bag. It has a tag on it from TheRealReal, and also the straps are protected by some plastic. So I've been waiting kind of until my birthday to use it, but now I'm gonna cave for this video. So it doesn't actually feel like my bag until I put my things in it. So out with the old, in with the new. My bag is typically busting at the seams, seriously. First, I've been using a notebook a lot, wallet, a couple makeup products, a camera lens. You know, everyone keeps a camera lens. No, I'm kidding. Honestly, day to day, I do have a camera lens in my purse because I'll be switching camera lenses as I daily vlog. Car key, phone charger. The rest is just receipts and garbage and like some coins. They are not going to be going into my new purse. But yeah, I've got everything all in here now. This is what I got for my birthday. This video is sponsored by TheRealReal, and if you're interested in shopping with TheRealReal, I'll have a link below, and if you use it, you get $25 off your first order. Thanks for watching. I'll be 24 in 2 days. I'm still freaking out a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at monicachurch. And that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I don't want to grow up. Did it look good? Mm-hmm. I'll do like, you're like, mm-hmm. The cake part's good. Okay.
Is it?
I'll throw this away.
Go wash your hands.